Hello everyone, this is Shiva and today we are going to continue our chapter Simple Equations. Now today's topic is forming expressions. Forming expressions is nothing but expressions will be given in the form of sentences and we should convert that sentences into expressions. Now let's take an example of addition. If it is given as 5x or the sum of 5x and 10. Now how do we convert this into an expression? So we all know that sum is nothing but addition. So the sum of 5x and 10. So how do we write this? We write this as 5x plus 10. So this is addition. Now let's learn about subtraction. Now if it is given as 5 taken away from x. So how do we write this? Taken away is nothing but 5 is subtracted from x. So we write this as x minus 5. Now these sentences can be given using various words like the subtraction of 5 and x, and in any words they can give these statements. Our aim is to just convert them into expressions by seeing the words. By seeing the words we need to recognize is what operation is that. Now taken away is nothing but subtraction. So we know that taken away means x subtraction. So we need to write it as x minus 5. Now we have done with subtraction. Now we will look into multiplication. Now if they gave it as in multiplication, you will easily understand the statements because they will simply give it as 5 multiplied by z. So we can easily guess it out. Multiplied. So multiplied is nothing but multiplication. So we can write this statement as 5 into z. Now let's look into division. In division also they give it this directly like p by 4. This is very simple. We can write it as p by 4. They can give division in another way, which is 6 times x by 3 times q. So if we look into this, times is nothing but multiplication. So 6 times means 6 into x. In 6 into x. By means division. So 6x by 3 times q means 3 into q. So 3q. Now if we see, why do we not use a multiplication symbol between these both? Well, we can write a variable and a constant without using a multiplication symbol, like 3 into x can be written as 3x. So if we write a variable and a constant, we need not put an multiplication symbol in between. Now moving on, we will now learn about putting values. Now what is putting values? Putting values is nothing but we need to find the value of the variable in an equation. Now let's take an example. Like if it is suppose 3 minus z equals to 1. Now if they gave x value as 5, or let's take it as 1. Let's start with 1. So if the x value is 1, we need to substitute 1 in the place of z, like this. 3 minus x value is 1. 3 minus 1 equals to 2. But here in the question, the answer is 1. But what did we get in the solution? 2. So this is wrong. Now if we take another value, x is equal to 2. Now let's check substituting the value of 2. Sorry, I put it as x, but it's z. Okay, z. Now we need to substitute the value 2 in the place of z and check if the answer is correct or not. So 3 minus, what is it? The value of z is 2. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. So what's the answer in the question is 1, and the answer which we got in our solution is also 1. So therefore z equals 2. Now you may not get only one constant and one variable. We can get questions also like question is, let's take 5x plus 10 equals to, let's take 17, or let's take 5x plus, let's take 2. 5x plus 2 equals to 12. Now we need to find the value of x. So x equals, let's say 3. Now they gave the x value as 3. Now let's substitute the value of 3 in the place of x. So 5 brackets 3, which is 5 multiplied by 3 plus 2 equals to 12. But 5 3s are 15 plus 2 equals 17. In the question we see that the answer is 12. But when it comes to our answer, it's 17. So the value of x is 3. The value of x is not 3. Therefore, this is wrong. Now, let's check out with another value. So, now the value of x, we will take it as like x equals to 2. Okay, let's check it out. Now, if we see 5 brackets 2, which is nothing but 5 into 2 plus 2 equals to 12. But when we solve it, 5 into 2, 10. So 10 plus 2 equals 12. So we got our answer as 12. Thus, our answer is correct. Therefore, x equals to 2. Now, you came to know how to put values and how to convert statement into an expression. Now, by this end of this video, you might be knowing how to convert a statement into an expression and how to put up values. Check if the value of the variable is the value given or not. So today I have a little practice sums. Hope you all do it. Here are the practice sums. You need to form equations based on the statement. The second one is put the following value of x and check whether the value that is or not. So this is for today's practice sums. Now just remember, yesterday I gave you a small practice sums. So the answers of those are going to reveal. So here are the answers. You can take the first question, second one is expression, third one is expression, fourth one is equation, fifth one is also an equation, sixth one is an action, seventh one is an expression, the 8th, 9th, 10th are equations. So that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. And if you want to talk with us, please join our Discord server. Links in the homepage. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.